Welcome to Flowgy. In this video, we will introduce the brush tool for 2D or 3D surgery. We can access the brush tool by clicking here or by going to our workflow area and click in the column 2.A, the painter. On the left side, we have access to the brush scale. As you can see, the brush is going bigger or smaller. And also we can do it in bigger steps. Smaller steps, bigger steps. Here, if we have selected air, we will add air when we click it. And here we would add solid. As an example, to add air or solid, we have to first select the right size of our brush tool, then go to the area we want to add solid or air, and then click and hold the right mouse button and move our mouse. See? That easy. So here we already added some air. If we, for example, think that this air canal is too big and we want to make it a little bit thinner here, we go to the solid and then click and hold the right mouse button and make it smaller. Easy as that. If we think that the canal that we just edited would be too small, we also can take the air button and add air here, so make it easier for the patient to breathe. Important to mention is that what we just did, adding air or solid, is only for the one frame or image that we just edited. So we have to click through all the different images that we want to have edited. Changing the view of the CT scan is easily done by pressing V or S on the keyboard. If we made a mistake by selecting the wrong tool or marked, for example, areas that we don't want to edit, there's no problem. We have always the possibility to press Ctrl and Z to undo our selection. Or we also have the option to press Ctrl, Shift and Z to redo our selection. Easy as that. And this is already the basics on how to use the brush tool in a 2D virtual surgery.